folks, I hope you're well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine two move blocks at the same time to allow a character to move diagonally. The story behind this project is Kitten walking by the river. So first job, we need to change the background to the river background. So let's go to our background button and let's find the river. There it is. Click on it, then click on the tick button to select that background. Now we need to code Kitten to move diagonally. So what we're going to do, we're going to run two programs at the same time. So first of all, we're going to go to the yellow category, select the start on green flag block. Then going to go to the blue category and select the right movement block. And then I'm going to go to the red category and select the end of program block. I'm also going to go back now to the yellow category, select again the green flag start block. Again, go back to the blue category, but this time select the down movement block and go back to the red category again to select the end block. Now, what should happen here, because at the same time, Kitten is going to move right and down, that should allow Kitten to move diagonally along the river. So what we want to do is let's turn our grid on so we can measure how far we want to go. We're currently at 11 on the horizontal, so we want to go to 20. So let's change that to a 9 because 9 plus 11 is 20. Now on the vertical axis, we're currently on 8 and we want to go to 1. So we want to 8 take away 1 is 7. So let's change it down to a 7 and turn our grid off. And let's see what happens now when we press the green flag. Fantastic. So what we want to do, let's restart that again. Let's start them up a little bit. Nice. Fantastic. Now what we could do is, if we wanted to change that slightly so that they were going in a perfect diagonal line, we would have them the same number. Great. So let's have a look at that full screen. Brilliant. And obviously you can go back to this screen and alter the numbers there if you want Kitten to move in a slightly different pathway, but that allows you, using those two programs at the same time, for Kitten to move diagonally. Well done, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.